Hello. So today's question is, two wires are made of same material and have the same volume. The first wire has cross-sectional area of A and the second wire has a cross-sectional area of 3A. If the length of the first wire is increased by lambda L on applying the force F, how much force is needed to stretch the second wire by the same amount? Let's see. So for the first wire, y equals to F by A upon lambda x by L. Similarly, for the wire 2, we can say that y equals to F dash by 3A, because it's the area, cross-sectional area is 3A, and we have to do it by same, so the length should also be L by 3. Right? So now, from equation first one and the second one, we can see that we can equate both of them. So if you equate both of them, you will get F dash equals to 9 times of F. That's simple. Our answer is the A part.